Here's some Sphinx of Giza trivia. Subscribe. What is the main statue of the Great Sphinx? Is it A, limestone, B, granite, C, sandstone, or D, marble? The correct answer is A, limestone. In which Egyptian city is the Sphinx located? Is it A, Alexandria, B, Giza, C, Luck, or D, Cairo? The correct answer is B, Giza. Who is the Sphinx thought to represent? Is it A, Cleopatra VII, B, Pharaoh Khafre, C, Pharaoh Tutankhamun, or D, Pharaoh Ramses II? The correct answer is B, Pharaoh Khafre. What was the primary material used for the Sphinx's construction? Is it A, sandstone bricks, B, marble tiles, C, granite slabs, or D, limestone blocks? The correct answer is D, limestone blocks. When was the Great Sphinx estimated to be built? Is it A, 1800 BC, B, 3000 BC, C, 2500 BC, or D, 2200 BC? The correct answer is C, 2500 BC. What nearby archaeological site contains the Sphinx? Is it A, Petra, B, Giza Plateau, C, Luxor Temple, or D, Valley of Kings? The correct answer is B, Giza Plateau. What geological formation is the Sphinx carved from? Is it A, natural limestone bedrock, B, granite, C, quartzite, or D, basalt? The correct answer is A, natural limestone bedrock. What title is often given to Egyptian tomb guardians like the Sphinx? Is it A, sacred figureheads, B, monumental statues, C, divine sentinels, or D, protectors of Ra? The correct answer is B, monumental statues. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.